jing sha kem jong ki brio ki ba sha kan no dong ti ha ka jing don manta jong ki ban kan shaj ki pai bhor ha ka met jong ka ap sau trip nai tung ar jar phulai ka bala poi hadu upot ban sha thermau ka office ucm bat ban don ru ki pulen ki ba man sau ka jing julo ki kali kata maria wai ka jelang jong Myntri Rangbah u konrad ki sangma bat ka seng achik ghsmc bat ki wei kam de ka shu sngap ik jing mentep ne jingyo lom khobor le katkum ki sakhi la ban shupen kan mau halor kani ka jingja u circle inspector katura u bitching and marak haka apsan tarik noitung ula ujor dak e jahar kabala kenno bakade ka jing thumu ban pen saw ne ka jingmut basniu persya yu Myntri Rangbah ka jalaw konrad ki sangma kala kan thup ru ya ka kerteng u bernard marak u mdc ka bjp bat wabat ru kum u vice president ka bjp u richard marang laingut ki erang barim jong ka seng leno bala pendam no ka jne le ki bakan thup yo rupan to ch marang unity ji moment bat u anurak marak harangkat pat ki wei ki ba tho ru harangkat ka kerteng seng san prathai kini ki basha ujor e jahar ki don hadu saupun reungut bat ka wei ru ka de ka noyalam seng bhalang ka bala paw rilom garu ka jeni en sangma habakaran halo kali kamat Myntri Rangbah ulong ba kumukli du jong ka jela ukwa ba ki brio ki badan kti ken hab ban mat ya ka jingsha pen sitam bat kata kan longkat kum ki sakhi satar omdak ba shupharep khlem nongrem.
So therefore, when all of this happened, when the NGOs came in and told us that these people who are outside are not part of their group and they don't know them, that's when we could understand that, as I said, there are other elements part of this. Now, I want to be very clear in my standing here, is that we are very clear that anybody who will be arrested or anybody who will be picked up or any case that will be filed will be purely on the basis of evidence. What happened was not correct. And when we had gone with a very, very positive intention and we had gone with the concerns of the people, and I had no reason to agree to their request of going to the location. I could have easily stuck to my stand that no, they should come to Circuit House, which is what the security agencies wanted me to do. But I said no, I am concerned and I am genuinely wanting to resolve this. And I have no ego problem or anything where it looks bad for me to go. I'll go. If it helps the cause, I have no problem in going. And I went, as I said, with a very, very positive and a very clean thought that I'll be able to talk to them and will be able to find a way forward. As I said, so now when all of this happened, this attack that took place, from all the statements that we could make out while we were in the room, that there were external agencies or organizations or groups or individuals who were not connected with this came in. And hence, there were indications, and it just so happened that a lot of these people who were then shouting outside, especially and instigating, happened to be from certain political parties who were past candidates of certain political parties, and hence from that angle, that link was there. But I want to make it very clear, we are not going by political parties, or we're not even trying to say that this is this political party, that political party. All we are saying is that everything will be based on evidence. No matter what party an individual may belong to, or what organization may belong to, or whatever background the person may be from, if the person, based on proof and evidence, was involved in instigating and was involved in any way in the incident that time, will be, action will be taken against those individuals. So it is not political or party, but it is purely on the basis of evidence. So as I said, I don't have the exact number with me, but yesterday's numbers are close to 40, but I don't have the exact numbers with me. And as I said that for me, I don't look at political affiliation. I am purely going by the evidence of who was present there. The videos are circulating everywhere for everybody to see, and Facebook posts are coming out, from individual accounts, and hence, based on clear black and white evidence, only based on that arrests are being made. And as I said, I have from day one, I have not mentioned anything about political parties, and I refrain from doing that because That's not the way I would like to look at this situation. As I said, this is something that concerns all of us, because this is not the way our society has been. We have always had protests. We have always had situations where people have had peaceful dharnas or fasting, but never have they gone ahead and attacked the people, let alone attacking officials, attacking the police, and attacking the chief minister. This has not happened, and this kind of culture is not there, and therefore it's a serious matter from that angle. And that's why for me, I refrain, and I've never looked at it from any political angle. I'm purely going to stick to the culprits and the individuals, as I said, who are on record. It's not even that they're just doing it randomly. Videos are there, and individual statements are there, and proof is there based on which these arrests have been made. Regarding the fact that they are acting on behalf of the government, I have again repeating myself, everything is based on evidence. Every single person who's being picked up or arrested is on video, repeatedly instigating the people with very, very strong language. People who have instigated on Facebook and other social medias, and people who have, through evidence and investigation, been found to be connected in the overall incident that happened. So therefore, it's very simple for somebody to just simply say they're acting on political masters or something like that. I don't think that's appropriate to say that. As I said, you can look into the whole thing, and you will find that every action that's been taken has been based on evidence. And it so happens that certain individuals were linked to certain political parties, but that's how it is. But that is not the reason why it happened. It just so happened that they were linked to somebody. But as I said, the arrests were made not because they belonged to a certain party, but the arrest was made because the evidence was available.
Take the first step towards a healthier future by scheduling your consultation at the Shillong Heart Clinic located at Nongrim Hills, Shillong. Call or leave a message at 98630-50899 to book your appointment with Dr. Rangbah and interventional cardiologist. The clinic operates from Monday to Saturday with working hours from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.